Holy crap. All right, let me get ready for this. We just got this beautiful, beautiful custom tenor from one of my favorite builders out of California. We've been carrying his ukuleles for a number of years, and just is mind blowing every time we get a new one in. And this one in particular, um, first we got this beautiful Engelmann spruce top, and as you can see, besides that, you got this. I mean, this thing is covered in bird's eye maple. You got that on the bridge, fretboard. Um, check out the back, and it's a really nice cut of bird's eye maple. What's really nice too is the accent lines of the cherry wood purfling that goes around the entire body, all the way up the neck, around the rosette here too. It's a very beautiful wood. It's very curly. There's a lot of textures going on, but it's still very balanced in the design. On top of that, this killer tone that's really balanced, especially from two woods that are known to be really bright sounding. It is bright, but this is what I like to call kind of crunchy sounding. Yeah. So on the fret dots, you got these gold. I like this gold fret dots that kind of go in this almost zigzag pattern up to the 3 5 7 12 15 and even 17. Really nice evo frets. These are rounded off beautifully. um yeah, incredible craftsmanship. Got this really nice strap button here on the heel, and here at the block here. The neck is maple. The tuner buttons custom made, the same maple gold UPT tuners from Japan. Yeah, this thing is amazing. So check it out. Sorry, what I just kept going.